Mike? Mike? Mike?
Sweetheart, so please stop crying. Why are you crying? Why are you killing yourself? Crying will not solve this problem. Rather, it will cause you problems. Okay? Try and pull yourself together, please.
My love, I understand you perfectly well. But I am the one wearing the shoes and I know I pinches before.
I know, baby, you're not the only one wearing the shoes. I'm into the shoe too. Okay? I mean, we're into it together. Not only you, I'm feeling it too. I'm being concerned about this whole thing. If you wound yourself now, what do you expect me to do? I so much believe that someday God will give us children. Okay? We are not God. We are not the maker of children.
I know very well that you feel concerned about this, but in situations like this, women feel it most. I cannot sleep. I feel frustrated. I keep having sleepless nights. I'm so bothered, my love.
I understand your plight. I understand you perfectly well. Okay? But there are people out there who are in the same problem. But they're not handling it this way. Okay? Let's put our trust in God. Please. Let's not just give Satan the chance to be working in our lives. But for God to bless us, we're not going to continue with this kind of situation, crying all the time. When you complain, Satan will have the chance to do his work. But when you give God all the glory, do you understand? Things will start working.
At this point, I don't care about anyone. I only care about myself. Only care about myself.
It's okay. It's okay. Like I said before, God will give us children. Okay? Please stop this. It's not going to help us. Okay? Come on, yeah. Get up. Don't worry, I'll make you happy now. That's what I'm talking about. Stop crying, okay? This is all I will give you now before you
I'm sorry, I was in the bathroom. Forgive me, please, let's go inside. Oh, I'm very, very sorry. It's my brother at home. Auntie, there's no need for us standing here now. Let's go inside. Go inside and do what? What am I going inside there to do? Oh, because my brother is not at home, you don't want to open the door for me, Abby? Eh? But I just explained to you that I was taking my bath. Get out your child! You're taking your bath. Do you mean, sir? Auntie Lizzie. Listen, Vivian, or whatever I call you, whatever you have done to my brother, it will not succeed for you. Yes, because of you, my brother refused to take care of us. Eh? Please, can we go inside? Because neighbors might be hearing our voices. Eh? You don't want your neighbors to know that you are evil. Why now, also? So what? Oh, you are afraid of exposure. Eh? I don't understand. Vivian! I don't understand what you're talking about. Listen to me. Whatever you have done on my brother, it will not work for you. I repeat myself, it will not work for you, Vivian. It will not work for you. He was my brother before he married you. And he will still be my brother. Or am I because of your childlessness? Eh? Please, I can explain. I can explain what. Why don't you allow us to enjoy my brother's wealth? My baby brother. Auntie, please, I have been standing here and listening to all that you have said. Please, I am begging you in the name of God, do not push me to the wall so that I will not regret my actions. Please. Vivian, why are you singing Agwaja? Why are you singing Agwaja, Vivian? Oh, you did your action. Am I afraid of you? Eh? You leave it to me? Anyways, I don't have time to listen to a useless woman like you. One day, all your evil deeds will come out in the open. It will come out in the open. You have eaten all the children in your room. These are children. This life, nothing. You're good for nothing. Wicked and wizard. Leave my brother, you marry him. You want me to marry a big wife. Another one will give us children. I'll come back and meet you. I'll come back and meet you. It's not me and you this house. I'll come back and meet you. When I was I'll come back and meet you. Mike, why are you doing this to me?
What am I doing to you?
You think I do not know? You think I do not know that you've been at the house of that good-for-nothing girl?
That good-for-nothing girl will be giving to me what you are unable to give to me in so many years.
That will not be possible. You won't do that to me. You won't do it.
Good night, my dear wife.
Just so you know, it will not work. You won't do that to me. God.
Hey. Welcome, my son.
Nice to see you.
So good to see you, my son. How are you doing?
I'm good.
How are the people in the city?
They are fine.
Hey!
How?
Oh, Chukwununna. No. Hey! Welcome, hey! Hello, Mamo. Hey! My son, this one you came home in the middle of the week. How is work going?
Mama, work is fine. Work is fine. I just went for a checkup and next week I might not be going to work. So I decided to use the opportunity to come pay you a visit.
Your sister Lizzie just left the village a few days ago. And she complained how your wife, Vivian, treated her when she visited your house.
Mama, I've told you times without number to stop listening to Lizzie. Eh? What is wrong with Lizzie? Mama, you just have to start listening to both sides of the story before you conclude.
I am not concluding yet.
Okay.
But I want to hear Vivian's own side of the story through you.
Mama, I am not Vivian, so I'm the wrongest person to ask that question. Vivian should stop stressing my wife. Eh? She should just mind her own business in her own house. She should face her own house and take care of it and let my wife be. Now please tell her to leave my wife alone.
You're talking about your own sister like this? Just because of your wife, Vivian?
Mama, I didn't come to the village to have issues with you or to make you angry. I'm here to see you. Please.
Chooks, you are not really the true son of your father. You used to love every member of your family before, but now you are a different person.
Mama.
What has she done to you?
Mama.
Yes, our suspicion has been confirmed. Only God knows what she has done to you, and only God knows we will not fold our hands and watch you degenerate and die in her hands like that.
That reminds me, Michael. So, what do you make of that manager's proposal that he submitted? Any consideration?
Leave that man. That man is not serious. He's talking from the both side of his mouth. You know? I don't see any meaning in him at all.
Well, if you say so.
Yeah.
But let's just wait and see how things unfold in the next few weeks. At least few weeks is enough of any findings.
Well, I have better things to do with my time other than to line up another mass fantasy. Why do you even think he wants us involved in this whole thing? When he could easily put it off on his own?
Yeah, thought about it too, but left for me, I would just advise you give it a brighter look. If I can tell.
Yo, you give it a brighter look, like you said. And as for me, I'm a busy man. And I have smarter ideas of making money. So that is what I intend to keep doing. I don't know. You can give it a brighter idea on my mind.
You know, I just believe in taking risks. Great men take risks.
Not go take the one I go kill you.
We just have to give that proposal a brighter look because
Yes, sir. It's on you.
I'll think about it. Let's just see how it goes.
Yeah.
Because if there is anything strange to expose before, at least in under 1 month,
That man is not straightforward. It's not.
hey man, you're driving past my home.
Woo, 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 woo. Sorry, my man. sorry.
What are you
Let me
thinking?
pull over. Sorry.
Pull over, man.
Sorry.
Alright.
So how are you children? So how are you doing? You guys are looking good. You see, the children are always waiting to devour their father. Yes, is right? They don't just want to see me. Say hello to everyone. How are you children? Good. Good. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, take care of yourself. Take care of the children. Alright, let's go. Not my job. Okay.
Look who we have here, my darling girl husband, Lisa. Welcome.
What's wrong? I'm guessing someone spoiled your day. It's okay. I'll just go in there and get you something really refreshing to drink. Or you want something to eat?
I don't want to drink. I don't want food either. I want a child. Helen, I want children.
Why are you sounding like this?
I want to walk into this house one day and have children running after me, calling me daddy, daddy. Is it too much to ask?
Why are you sounding this way?
Because I married you to give me children.
But it's not my fault.
Prove it. Helen, prove it.
You know what, I won't take this to heart. I'll let it slide. I forgive you for what you just said.
This has always been your style. Look, I will never be happy in this house until you give me children. Children. I want to be a father!
I'm trying.
I can see that someone has been rattling. What happened? Don't worry. I'll fix up whatever it is. Do you want to tell me something?
Jane, I want you to bear me a child.
Mike, come on.
I'm serious.
Mike, this sounds so silly. Are you alright? How can you just wake up and ask me to bear you a child?
Jane, I'm okay. Look, I've thought about everything. All I need is your consent. Please.
Ordinarily, I should be thrilled to hear such a proposition. I mean, everything is looking like a dream. How do you think your wife will react when she hears this?
I can handle my wife. The only problem is you. Please, Jane.
Don't misunderstand me. I mean, every woman has fantasies, and being a second wife is not my fantasy. But I'll think about it.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
This is not true. It's true, my dear. It happened so fast. Mike is seriously dying for me. Could you believe we were together in a hotel last night? And he insisted that we meet again today.
Will you go?
Why won't I?
Why? He had you yesterday night. He wants you again today. Eh? He's now Oliver Twist.
That also means that I am in the God's favorite book.
Jane, let this relationship not enter another thing.
Why?
Because he's married and you cannot match up with his wife's energy.
Forget that thing, no. If what we planned works out for us, I will have the power to match with that his so-called wife, woman to woman.
Jenny!
That is my
Clean
name.
your mouth.
Wait, so now why you stop me? Hey, then move, they go, Jerry. I have told you, and that's the only option.
Jane, what you're saying is not possible. It is not possible at all.
In that case, I will have to go home to my parents. You may go home to your loving wife, because I can see that you don't mean what you told me the other day.
Why are you being unreasonable? Your suggestion is not as easy as you think. It is not. And you know I want this baby.
And you expect me to tell my parents that? I'm sorry, Mike. It's not possible. It's either you marry me, or I will go ahead and have this baby in my parents' house. And then you will have no right over my child.
Really? Look, I beg you, Jane. I beg you in the name of God. I want this baby. And you see this thing that you're saying? It's not possible.
And then you have to do something. Or are you scared of your wife?
Okay, Jane,
fine. I want this baby, alright? And I'm going to do something about it.
Something like what?
I'll marry you. Yes.
My
Fluffy baby. That's why you're always running around, eh? It baffles me a lot too. Each time I come to your house, you're not always at home.
If you want to tell me you don't have my number, you don't know where you're supposed to call me.
Babe, no be every gist that they do for fun. And be coming down, no. I know say you like money too much.
Before you don't know, now money they keep us in check.
I know.
But wait oh, you look very good.
Yes, my love.
What is happening? Baby, give me gist.
My dear, it be like say, God don't open my case file. There is this thing that is happening in my life, eh? It's happening so fast. As if I'm alive in Wonderland.
My ear is already scratching with this girl. You too like suspense. Give me gist.
Baby girl, this gist I'm about to give to you right now deserves maximum celebration.
Auntie, give me gist. You too like suspense. Give me gist.
My dear, your baby girl is pregnant.
Jane, what have you done this time? Who is responsible? Is this one supposed to be a good news or sad news? Who is responsible, Jane?
Well, Mike is responsible.
Jane, are you that desperate? They are trying to play a second fiddle. You are too sad for that, this girl, oh God, I beg.
My dear, forget drama. For your information, I am the first lady. There's no other woman anywhere.
Listen to yourself. You're wicked. But besides though, what did you give him to eat?
I'm not giving her anything though. I tell you, say God don't dust my case file now.
You don't get conscience, this girl. What will happen to his wife?
The point is that Mike needs children, and I am ready to give him children.
You better be sure that this pregnancy is for him. If not, the way they will throw you out there, now you sabi. Rubbish.
How do you mean?
Now you know. I don't talk finish.
I don't ever lie to you
now
before.
You know.
Woman, I can see it clearly, very, very clearly.
What is it?
Your son is in love with a woman. That is why he turned away from you people.
A woman?
Yes.
But he's married. Of course, it's his wife now. Is it not his wife that has made him not to take care of us? Is his wife that made him to abandon us now? So, Nani, what do we do now?
Woman, you understand the situation. Your daughter-in-law is the cause of your son's problem. Your son knows what he did with a woman. That is why he's sick and depressed sometimes. If the care is not taken, there will be a problem. Woman, it is you who decide what to do. Then I will do it. That is my duty to do.
Nani, we want you to make him, to turn his back on his wife. We want you to make him hate her. Yes, we want you to make you hate her. Yes, and make him to turn back to us. To turn back to his family.
Woman, it's only cause you a white cock and white-bearded she-goat.
White-bearded she-goat? Where can we find such?
You may give me money to provide the materials.
How much?
Oh, no. Don't run there. I found them on a hatches yours. Audrey. It's only going to cost you 95,000 naira.
95,000. Nah, it's not too much. Mama, it's too much now. How are we going to get that kind of money?
No amount is too much to save a life.
Okay, man. Right here now, we don't have such amount on us. But we shall go and come back some other time.
Better woman. Akama. Umenangi. When you have the money, you come.
Uncle, I'm sorry to bother you this afternoon. No problem. I would have asked you to come to the house, but you sounded so serious and urgent. But I believe what we're about to discuss is important. Uncle, do you remember the girl I told you about? The one who is pregnant from the gym? Yes. Has she delivered? No, not yet. But very soon, Uncle. I have a slight problem with her. What is the problem? She wants me to get married to her, otherwise I will have to forget claiming the child as mine. But she's right. She's right. At least she's not stupid. In fact, she's smarter than you are. How? As a smart girl, as a smart person who she is, she wants to be assured of the future of herself and her child. By the way, what is your problem? Your position on this issue? Uncle, you know that may not be possible, considering the position of my wife, Helen. Helen, you always talk about Helen. Do you remember 2 years ago I called you and I reminded you that you are the only male child of your father, and there's a need to be continuing your father's name and lineage. Did I or did I not, Mike? Uncle, you did. Good. And the girl is now ready to perpetuate your father's lineage and name. And here you are thinking about Helen. What is your problem, Mike? Go and tell this girl that you're ready to marry her. How do I communicate this to Helen without hurting her feelings? Leave that to me, Mike. I will handle that. I will.
Eliza, Mama, I'm still wondering what that wicked woman Vivian did to my son Chukwudi that made him not to have a child and to turn his back on us, his immediate family.
Thank God. Thank God that the wise one has confirmed what I've been telling you people about that wicked witch. People thought I'm a frustrated woman that doesn't want her sister-in-law to stay in her husband's house in peace. Vivian is nothing but a witch. I want to go.
How far about the money? Were you able to get any amount?
Yes, so Mama, by the grace of God, I raised some money.
Good. Tomorrow morning, first thing, we shall proceed to Akreka's house and commence work immediately.
Not only that, after the work, while we wait for the work to take full effect, we'll be doing our own underground work. Yes, so that we will chase that witch out of my brother's house.
She must go. You call Ghana.
Yes, come. Choose! 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 I am breaking on your words hold, and you choose. You must obey the spirit and turn away from your wife and listen to your mother and your sister and your family members. Obey! Obey! Choose! Obey! Obey! out already. Woman.
Hey, hey.
How's the journey? Okay, so it's I'm fine. It was okay. No problem is very important.
You're welcome once again. Please accept this little cola.
Thank you, my daughter.
You're welcome.
My daughter Helen, please don't go. Please sit down.
I hope all is well, Uncle.
No, actually, it was because of you I came.
Okay.
Yes, and having said that, you must have concluded that the frog doesn't jump around in the afternoon unless something is chasing it. There's a sensitive matter in this house, and it needs to be handled so nobody gets hurt.
Okay, Agu, you're welcome. But I'm yet to know what the issue is.
Now, in the view of the fact that you have not been able to conceive a child, which I am Mike here, I'm wholly responsible for disowning you. The girl is pregnant for Mike. And in pursuance of the need to perpetuate his father's lineage, it is imperative for Mike to marry that girl. I would like you to consider Mike's position and the fact that he respects your feelings. And that's why he asked me to come and explain these matters to you.
Thank you very much, Uncle.
Do you have anything to say?
I don't. If there's nothing left for us to discuss, can I be excused, please?
You can go now. Uncle. Yes, are you sure? Calm down, Mike. It's difficult, I know. She's taking it her way.
If it's only one child, I will be okay. I just need a child of my own. That's all I pray for. All I need is the fruit of the womb. All I want is a child to call my own. Whichever gender, whichever color, I'll receive it with love. Thank you so much. Barrenness, leave me alone, so that tears can dry from my eyes. So barrenness, leave me alone. I wanna be happy with children around. Barrenness, leave me alone. Let me feel the love of a child. Oh yeah, but why me? Oh.
Where are you coming from, Bobby?
Darling, I'm so sorry. I've had a very hectic. I've had a very hectic day today.
And who was the guy that dropped you?
Oh, please, can you just ask me one question at a time? I actually went to the filling station. I've been at the filling station for hours.
Can you just stop lying?
Choose.
Hey, stop lying and tell me the real thing. Stop giving me that kind of excuse. Because there's no scarcity of fuel right now. Rather, there was increase in the price. which affected everything. Yes, I know. But there is fuel. Okay? Now, give me another excuse.
Chooks, I don't understand. What has come over you?
I said, who was the guy that dropped off? Maybe he's a lover.
Chooks. Chooks, like, I don't know what's going on. Like, what is wrong with you? Are you accusing me of being unfaithful to you? What is going on? I've been toiling all day. I went to the filling station to get fuel, and then this is what you're saying. You were so uncaring. You couldn't even ask of the car I left at the petrol station because I couldn't get fuel. And then a good man came around to assist me and brought me home.
And drop you off home. A man dropping you off home at night. As what? As your brother or what? Is he your brother? Or who to you? Maybe your boyfriend dropped you off at home in the night. If it was to be his fellow man, is he going to drop the person off at home? Huh? Okay, I understand. When a man buys a plant for a lady, maybe one day he will want to know the fitness of the plant on her waist.
Chooks. Chooks, this is so disrespectful of you. This is so unbelievable that you will accuse me your wife. Chooks, you're the only man I have ever loved in my entire life. Why would you do such a thing? Why? I know why. I know because I cannot bear a child. I cannot give you a child. That is why you're acting like this.
I'm dropping you off at night. A guy dropping you off. Okay.
God.
Don't worry.
God, why is this happening to me?
If it's only one child, I will be okay. I just need a child of my own. That's all I pray for. All I need is a fruit of the womb. All I want is a child to call my own. Whichever gender, whichever.
Helen, you cannot continue crying like this forever. Stop doing this.
What do you want from a useless woman? A woman who can't bear your kids. It's true.
Helen, I love you. I love you and I always love you. This child is a different matter altogether. It does not affect the way I feel about you.
It does.
No, it does not.
You went to her and maybe several other women just so they could give you a child. You know what I keep asking myself? What did you tell them about me? I have a wife who is barren. One who can't give me children. I have a useless wife at home who can't do anything for me except...
Stop it. No, I did not. You have to stop talking like this. Believe me, I love you, Evelyn. You're my only true love. It's alright. It's alright. I'm sorry I'm making you feel this way. I'm sorry. If it wasn't for this child, we would not have been here talking like this. It's alright.
My baby!
The same dream. Why do I keep having this same dream? Where's Mike?
How's my wife?
Calm down, sir.
What's going on? What's going on?
Congratulations. Your wife has a bouncing baby.
Really? Jesus! Can I see them?
Yes.
No! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes. Yes, I was told it's a baby boy. I'm so happy. Yes, you gave me a baby boy. Look at him. I don't even need the DNA to ascertain that this is my blood. Thank you so much. You know I love you. Thank you. Yes. Yes. Shouty. You're sleeping. Thank God.
Okay, I have to go now.
Choose. What about my food? Are you not going to eat?
No, I'm not hungry. You can go ahead and eat. If you wish to. For me, I'm fine.
Choose, please. Please. What have I done to you? What wrong have I done? Choose. Why are you treating me like this? Eh? You no longer want to eat my food. You go out and come back late. No good conversation. You don't look at me anymore. Choose, please. If I have done anything wrong to you, please forgive me. It's not my fault that I cannot give you a child, but the doctor said we're both okay, we're good. Please don't do this to me. I'm sorry, my love.
It's okay. I have to go now, okay? We're late.
Chief, please.
If it's only one child, I will be okay. I just need a child of my own. That's all I pray for.
My own very good people. I welcome you all to the celebration of my wonderful son. Every good thing comes from the Lord, of course. So is that son.
Looks exactly like you.
Thank you. Like I say that way. There is no DNA. No confession against this church shall ever prosper. Amen. He shall know no evil. Amen. Evil will not know him. Amen. He shall train his children's children. Amen. He shall see them properly. Amen. And with that, we have come to celebrate. Celebrations will never lack in our homes. Amen. All these and more we ask through Jesus Christ our Lord. Amen. This is a devil. Yeah, it's a ritual. It's very, very ritual. It's a ritual. It's very. It's a good one. Sorry.
What happened, Mama? What is wrong with you? Why did you allow her to carry your baby? Mama, but she has been helpful. Helpful? I don't trust her. I don't trust her. Don't you know people like that can do anything? She might be up to something. How? How? Did you see the way she was carrying the baby, laughing as if she loves him? Eh? Jane, why don't you have sense? Why? Don't you learn anything from me at all?
Mama, why are you bothering yourself? Listen, you don't need to worry. I already made something for you and Jane.
Well, as you can see, I have made something for myself and my daughter. You know I wouldn't want any harm to come to her or my grandson.
Mama, Mama, is the food ready?
Yes! You know I wouldn't want you to test the food of any visitor. Sit down now.
If it's only one child, I will be okay. I just need a child of my own. That's all I pray for. All I need is the fruit of the womb. All I want is a child.
Helen, why are you crying?
Nothing, I'm fine.
Darling, I need to tell you about it.
Jane. Can you excuse me?
Let me feel the love of a child. Oh yeah.
Mama, can you imagine? My husband did not even ask about Junior. He ignored me for that rich. I told you, didn't I? But she will not know peace in this house as long as I live here. Don't worry. Don't just worry yourself. I am grateful. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Don't even think about it.
What have I done? What have I done to Jane and her mother that they will not let me have my peace? The continuous ill treatment and humiliation is getting too much. I try as much as I can to be of assistance to them, but they never see anything good in all I try to do for them. Is it because I don't have a child? Am I God? Do I make babies? What did I go wrong? What have I done?
Helen, you're breaking me. Stop crying. Look, it's just a matter of time. All of this will be over soon.
When is this time? Because I am tired.
Understand. Look, you are aware that she's only here because I needed a child badly. Stop crying.
I am broke. I'm just tired.
baby!
Hey! What is it? Why do you shake like that? It's a nightmare.
Yes.
Why is that Rachel? Is she not there? Well, she said she had a bad dream. That's why she's screaming like a little girl, disturbing everybody. Just that. Just that, Mama. Why does that girl like to seek attention? Eh? I don't know. Eh? Don't mind her. Let's go back to bed.
Yeah.
I hope you could go to school. What is the name of the school? Eh? Easy Bay.
Easy Bay.
Easy Bay. Okay. Where is Easy Bay? Or you could not go to school today. Yeah, are you still going to Easy Bay too?
Yeah.
Which one is your school?
Find
Jesus.
Yes.
Okay. What were you going to do when they came to God? You're walking. Walking where? You're packing sand. Sand for. What is it? What are you doing using sand to? And what? On the road. Okay. The road is spoiled.
Excuse me, sir. I'm going home with my kids. Thank you. Did you see your brother before you started coming?
Mama, let's go inside. I will explain everything to you.
Let us talk here now. Let us talk here. Let me know. How is he doing?
Okay, I saw him. Mama, I don't think Akeka Charm is doing anything much on them. Huh?
Is that wicked fool still living with him?
Huh? Mama, she's still living with brother. The problem now is that brother is very sick.
Hey, Chimo, what has happened to him again? Mama, I don't know, but he's hospitalized. Then you were there when Akrika said that what the wife did on him is why he's always sick every day. Mama, I don't know what to do. I'm confused. Mother is very sick. Okay, I cannot sit here and watch my only son die like a fowl. They can walk up. Okay, Amen. I will not. It will not happen. It will happen. Eh? I will not. Hey, Naya Kirega. Hey, you are here. I've been to the shrine.
Yes?
I've gone to the shrine. I didn't see you there. My son is seriously sick, and that's why I'm here to know why.
Woman, I have told you before, he has not said what he did with his wife. That is what brings sickness all the time.
The information I got now is that he's seriously sick and he has been hospitalized.
I have done all I could.
And the wife is still staying with him more.
They are living, but they are not living in peace.
No, Pico, please, whatever you can do to make him well, please do it, because
woman, he is the one that caused the sickness by himself. He had a heavy secret with his wife.
Secret?
Yes. Only two of them knows what they did.
Oh. Mama, I'm gone. I'm going to the hospital to get food.
Elisa, I'm so worried about Chuck's sickness. What did the doctor say is the problem?
Mama, I'm even tired. The doctor said there is nothing wrong with you medically. That his problem might be psychological.
That woman they call Vivian. Vivian, she is the cause of the problem. So if Vivian will not see Chuck's bed, she will not rest.
Mama, my brother will not die. He will not die.
How? The last time I saw Akrika said that Chuks and his wife has a very, very big secret within them.
Secret?
Oh yeah, no.
It's just a bottle of water. You feel this doesn't make you a house help, neither does it make me everybody. I mean, since this fridge was bought, sometimes I fill up the bottles and everyone drinks from it. I don't make a fuss about it. I don't make a face out of it. Why are you angry because I drank a bottle of water and you feel? Wait. Did you just talk back at me? I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I blame your mother who didn't raise you well. Please and please, madam, I beg you in the name of God. With all due respect, I will take any other thing from you, but not speaking about my mother in that manner. And you talked about irresponsibility. My mother, I know, will not talk to anyone the way you talk to me. What have I done to you? Are you trying to say that my mother is not responsible? No. Jane, just let her be. Leave her alone. I don't blame you. I only blame the man that married you into his house thinking you're a woman. Well done. The only thing you can get back at me with is the fact that I cannot conceive. What else? Yeah, I'm asking. What else do you have to say to me? But just so you know, the same God who gave you a child and made you a grandmother can still take that child away. God forbid! Is that your prayer? So you want my child to die? That your prayer will never work in Jesus' name, you witch! I am not a witch. It's you. It is you who is a witch. You call me a witch. You are the one who is a witch. I will tell you call my mother a witch. What do you mean? What do you mean? She has been outside crying, looking for who to pity her. Let her cry for all. Let her cry.
I'm not happy the way both of you beat up Helen today. What is the meaning of that?
Well, she shouldn't have insulted my mother.
How did she insult your mother? How?
My son, look, you know I won't lie to you. I will tell you exactly what happened. Helen said, since my grandson came to this house, that she has lost her place in your house. She also said that she wished the child would die. I am not trying to caution her. Before you know it, Helen started insulting me. She started calling me a witch. I couldn't bear it, so they started fighting. If anything happened to my baby, I will hold her responsible.
Helen said this words about my son.
Mike, Helen said this and she even said more.
Lucy, how do you go between you and Shooks?
My dear, I am tired of everything. And I don't think I can continue with this.
Wishes.
Do you know how much he has spent on me? Just for a child. Still, I can't get pregnant. I slept with these guys countless times. Still, no pregnancy to show for it.
Does it mean his razor is not sharp enough or the baba is not good enough?
Or my womb is not working. But don't bot me. I'm simply tired. And I don't think I can continue doing this.
Well, it's your life.
My dear, I pity that guy. He has really spent enough money for me just to have him a child.
Well, God knows the best. So back to business. Tell me, when will you come back to our usual sports?
Huh? Usual sports? My dear, I have to think about my life first before any other thing. And I don't think I'm coming back to that hookup thing.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I have to go now.
Thank you.
All through the whole shame and agony of childlessness. Have you asked him why he goes about paying girls for them to get pregnant for him? Have you? What? You're talking nonsense. I'm talking rubbish. Nonsense! Ask yourself!
What is she talking about? Eh? What is she talking about? Huh?
You will not succeed.